Hi there, I'm going to show you how to change the battery in this Toyota key fob. Very straightforward process. You do not need any tools. You just need one of these 2032 batteries. And these can be gotten off Amazon. They're very inexpensive, and there's a link below in the description that will take you straight there. So what you would do is on this back side, this little lever right here, you push it this way and pull your mechanical key out. Then take that mechanical key and put it in this slot right here and give it a firm twist. Now that you have your two halves apart, you can take that key, place right here, and pull out the PCB board. There's your dead battery. Stick your key right here and gently pry that old battery out. Your new battery goes in positive side facing up. This is installed like that. Squeeze these two halves together and you can test it by pushing this button. Make sure you see your red dot right there, and you're all set. Thanks so much for watching. Make sure you hit that thumbs up button.